Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So the next thing that I would like us to go through is the laboratory preparation. Chlorine gas. How is chlorine gas prepared in the laboratory? And to prepare chlorine gas, you need concentrated hydrochloric acid, and you also need a strong oxidizing agent. So, for example, we can say that chlorine is prepared by oxidation of conc or concentrated hydrochloric acid using manganese 4 oxide. We can use manganese 4 oxide. We can also use potassium manganate 7. We can also use lead 4 oxide. All those are suitable oxidizing agents that can be used. So chlorine is prepared by oxidation, whereby concentrated hydrochloric acid is oxidized using manganese 4 oxide. And this reaction requires heat to speed up the reaction. Requires heat to speed up the rate of oxidation. So we're going to have a diagram, and this diagram shows how the setup is made. So we have a diagram showing the laboratory preparation of chlorine gas, and we are preparing the gas by oxidation of concentrated hydrochloric acid using manganese 4 oxide as the oxidizing agent. And we are saying that the reaction requires heat to speed up the reaction. So after the chlorine has been obtained here, it is passed through water to dissolve any impurities of hydrogen chloride gas that may be there, of course arising from conc hydrochloric acid. So any impurities of hydrogen chloride gas, they are absorbed at this point because they are highly soluble in water. Then the gas is dried by passing it through conc sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, and then finally the gas is collected by downward delivery or upward displacement of air. So the gas being collected here is chlorine gas. To test that it is actually chlorine gas, a moist blue litmus paper is placed at the top of the gas jar to see the changes that will happen. So basically on that, we are saying that conc hydrochloric acid plus manganese 4 oxide is a solid. That reaction produces chlorine gas, which is being collected there. There is also manganese 2 chloride. and that is a solution plus water. So that is the equation for the reaction that takes place there. So to balance it, you can check the hydrogens. There are 2. Oxygen, it's 2 and 1. Can make this to be 2, that is balanced. Chlorine, there are 2 and 2, that is 4. Can put a 4 there. 4 hydrogens as well. Manganese is 1. Oxygen, there are 2, and that equation is balanced as it is. So we are saying that the gas is then passed through water to absorb the highly soluble hydrogen chloride gas, which is an impurity. And then the gas is passed through conc sulfuric acid to remove moisture or to dry the gas. Then the gas is collected by downward delivery. Because it is denser than air. It is denser than air.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.